Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. We are in flu season right now, and with coronavirus running amok and flu season on the other side, this can be a really tricky time for your immune system. That's why I am here to help. I'm going to give you 5 ways you can keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Without further ado, let's get this thing going. Number 1, the disgusting and amazing apple cider vinegar. It's nice when you make it into a cake or another type of dessert. When you're drinking it straight, it's not so good. It's not as bad as it seems. It's actually really good for you, and I really recommend that you drink it. Ingesting this bacteria is really going to help your body. What apple cider vinegar does is it promotes something called phagocytosis, which is basically like your cells start to flush out any viruses and pathogens. Think of it like the garbage disposal for your cells. What I do is I get a cup of water or a little bit more, and then I do 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Taking apple cider vinegar shots is, wouldn't recommend that. That's really bad for your esophagus. You can burn it, you can do damage internally. I personally drink this first thing in the morning. As soon as I wake up, it's the first thing I put into my body. If you drink this, it might make you use the bathroom. Not only does it help with your immune system, but it happens to help people that are trying to lose weight because it makes you eat less. Like your appetite sort of shrinks when you consume apple cider vinegar. I think before a meal, I drink it every day of the week, and then Saturday and Sunday I opt for lemon water instead, just to give myself a break from the apple cider vinegar. I don't know, in my head, I just think it's not going to be as effective if my body gets used to it. I have no idea why. This is not backed up by science. And you want to make sure your apple cider vinegar is organic. This is very important. I barely see non-organic apple cider vinegar, so I think this should be really easy to find. Bragg's is a very famous one. I find that with each brand it kind of tastes different. I like the one from Trader Joe's. The taste is not repulsive, and the only thing that I don't like is the size. It's really small. I wish they'd made a bigger one so I get more bang for my buck. Drink up, ladies and gents. The next thing is essential oils. Sounds a little witchy woo hippie woo, but I'm all about my essential oils. They are scientifically proven to be effective. Essential oils can have miraculous healing effects. There's an essential oil for literally everything. I use essential oils in my everyday life. I have like a whole bin full of them. If you're having trouble figuring out what essential oils are for what, there is this little roller that you can purchase. So this one is called the Germ Destroyer. It is by Plant Therapy, the brand. You can find this on Amazon. I will have the link in my description. This one is the kid safe one just because I use this for my daughter and I. Germ Destroyer helps protect your children from seasonal threats like those that occur during the winter. Apply topically to keep those germs at bay and keep your family feeling healthy. Right before bed, we apply it to our chest area, and we apply it to the bottom of our feet. So why the bottom of your feet? Well, the bottom of your feet is a super sensitive area. There's over 70,000, I think it's 72,000 nerve endings there, and it just helps the absorption. It goes in your body faster when you apply an oil on your feet. It kind of feels like a massage since this is a roller ball. So my daughter loves to do this. I tickle her feet at night with this, and she loves it. This is awesome. I have the rollerball version. You can get the adult version also on their website on Amazon, but I got the kids safe because we both use it. Like, why not? Like, I don't mind saving money and using it for both my daughter and I. And they also have the dropper, so you can make your own hand sanitizer with the dropper. I've seen that. You can just mix it into things like soaps, whatever you want. But I prefer the rollerball just because I keep it like on my nightstand, and then I just I just apply it before bed, and it smells really nice. And take a look at it. Ooh. Take a look at it. The next thing you can do to boost your immune system is one of my favorites. It's very popular, especially amongst millennials. It is yoga! Yeah, yoga. It actually can boost your immune system. How? Yoga is amazing for many things. I, for one, I cannot go more than a couple days without doing it because I have severe back pain. So it really helps me in that aspect. With your immune system, what yoga actually does is it helps lower our stress hormones and calms the nervous system. If you didn't know, stress is one of the worst killers, and it actually affects your immune system. It can also help fight oxidative stress, which poses a risk on healthy cells. So yoga is just a great thing to do, and it's especially good for your respiratory system since you're doing all that breathing in, out, in, out. That is great for you. The more oxygen you breathe in, the more blood flowing is going, the stronger your lungs, the better, I would say. The next thing starts with a P. It's probiotics. Probiotics are so freaking important for your immune system. Did you know that about 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut? So that means whatever you're putting into your body is really going to have a huge effect on your immunity. So probiotics are extremely important. Eating fermented foods, consuming your probiotic supplements or prebiotics and probiotics, this is all going to help your gut. If you're taking probiotic, make sure you're also consuming prebiotics because prebiotic and probiotic go together. Probiotic feeds off of the prebiotic. This is called symbiosis, if you didn't know. Little science lesson. I feel like a nerd. But yeah, you need both. I actually have this probiotic powder that I love. It is called the Aura Organics probiotic powder. I love this powder. You can put it into water, you can put it into drinks, smoothies, take a shot of it, put it into literally anything. My favorite things to do with it is to put it in my homemade cranberry juice, also to put it in a yogurt, because I create this like healthier version of Danimals with yogurt, and it tastes so good with the powder. I have that on my Instagram page, on my food Instagram page. But yeah, that is something. Or Organics probiotic powder. It's vegan. Anybody can use it. The flavor is dehydrated raspberries and apples. I love this thing, and what's unique about it is that it's a prebiotic and it's a probiotic. It lasts me a long time, but that's because it's not my main source of probiotic. I do drink kombucha every single day. If you don't know what kombucha is, it's a fermented tea and it's rich in probiotics. It's amazing for your gut. It can do so many things. If you've heard people talking about it, they will tell you how amazing it is for your health. I always stick to the same kombucha brand, Synergy, because Synergy does not have the added cane sugar that I really don't want in my kombucha. Instead they use, I think, kiwi juice to sweeten it. But I do love Synergy. Although they don't use cane sugar, they do have a higher amount of sugar to me because I don't really consume sugar. So they have about 16 to the most, like, I think 19 grams of sugar. So what I do is I cut that in half. So I will consume half the bottle one day, then the next day I will consume the other half. Love kombucha. I know that's an unpopular opinion taste-wise. I love to drink it with ice. It's like my little soda. I do drink it with a metal straw because it's acidic and you want to protect your enamel. So make sure you're drinking your apple cider vinegar and your kombucha with a straw because it can really deteriorate your enamel. The best flavors from the brand Synergy. Strawberry lemonade. Oh my god, that one is so good. Watermelon, mango. I do like cosmic cranberry, and gingerberry. Guava's also good. They're all good, but the ones with ginger are an acquired taste. The next thing is zinc. Zinc is so good for your immune system. So zinc helps the production of T cells and white blood cells within your body that help fight off those invading bacteria and viruses, helps fight colds and upper respiratory infections. So it is going to be amazing not only for your immune system, but for fighting off COVID or preventing COVID. I like the zinc that you can drop into your water. The link is going to be in the description below, like everything else in this video. I like this one. You just add 10 drops in your water. It is important not to exceed the daily amount of zinc because that can lead to deficiencies of something else in your body. So make sure you stick to the instructions and get your zinc drink on. That concludes this video. I hope I helped you in some way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you can. Help a lady out. I'm gonna try to be posting videos on Wednesdays, so see you later. Stay healthy, friends. Oh wait. Elbow.